Hi, this is Becky with Miss B Group Travel. If this is your first time joining us, welcome. On this channel, we talk all things travel related. That include travel reviews, hotel reviews, travel tips, and travel advice. Today's video is on my go-to hotel whenever I'm in Marrakech, Morocco. This is the 2CIELS Luxury Boutique Hotel. Do stay tuned. Before I do the walkthrough, a little bit about the 2CIELS Luxury Boutique Hotel and Spa. This is one of my go-to hotels. As a group travel organizer, I do travel with a lot of ladies, and in fact, we have stayed at this hotel on over 5 separate occasions. It's centrally located and 15 minutes away from the airport. It's also 7 minutes away from the central high street. It's got free parking, it's clean, they have a spa and changing fitness room. They've also got conference facilities. All their rooms are air conditioning. In fact, the whole hotel is air conditioning, and all of the rooms have got a private balcony. They offer room service, there's a safe, there's a minibar, although you do have to plug in the minibar when you check into your room because that will not have anything in it and it will not be switched on. Their rooms are non-smoking rooms, and they do offer, just a standard room, 2 suites. The hotel is a 4-star hotel, but it's got a trendy to sort of business type feel. The Rooftop Bar has a live DJ. I think it's most nights. It's got a pool. It's got changing facilities. It's got a bar, a place to sit down, lounge and relax. So it's got a lot of positive things going for it. And the fact that all of their staff are very attentive. And I am so pleased to find out they also won the Traveler's Choice Award for 2022. Now, just going to walk you through to the mezzanine floor, which is located between the first floor and the ground floor. Here, you've got access to the business center, a public computer, and also a sit-down lounge. This is lovely for groups because we can all congregate, sit down whilst overlooking the pool, the dining area, and just have a bit of conversation. But look at that refreshing room. Okay, and this is a lounge area that you can sit in. It's located on the mezzanine floor, overlooking the pool, the downstairs pool, and the patio area. Yes, so you can have breakfast out there. You lie down by the pool. And I love these Moroccan design tables. Beautiful, beautiful room. Again, it's overlooking the sort of the dining area where we will be going down to dine and do breakfast. So this is like a lounge meetup area. Going to the meeting room. And again, from this room, look at these paneled ceiling glass. That's overlooking the reception. Right, down to breakfast. Breakfast, some pastries. Thanks for tuning in as I did the 2CIELS Hotel in Marrakech room walkthrough, mezzanine floor, and the breakfast, lunch, and dinner area on the ground floor. Hopefully next time we'll be able to do a hotel room suite upstairs on the rooftop and the scenic route as you drive in towards the hotel. So if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining us. If you're a new subscriber or a new person visiting us, please do subscribe for more travel updates such as this. Have a nice day.